Hi Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fifth puzzle. The fifth puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper of Saturday, October the 3rd, 2020. Yes, the fifth puzzle is a tectonic with 1 star, and this tectonic will be a number 1683. Alright, so let's get started. Do we see here in this tectonic a single box? I see here a single box. Single box is always a 1. That means these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Quadra box. These 2 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in this quadra box for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this area. 1, 2, 3. So the 4 and the 5 are left. Let me mark them for you. 4 and the 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. If I place a 2 here in this quadra box, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 3 empty boxes. I need a 2 in one of those 3 boxes. So the 2 should be here. It means this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Triple box. 1, 2, and a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3 in this area. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then these 4 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. So it must be definitely a 5. 2 boxes left. The 3 and the 4, let me mark them. 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 2 boxes left for the 1. Could be here. Could be there. This box cannot be a 2. So 2 could be here. Could be there in this area. Yes. That means that this box. Oh no. This box, yeah. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 is in one of those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. Let me mark them. 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. Triple box. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. That means that this box cannot be a 1 or a 3. Otherwise I cannot fill any 1 or 3 in this box. So it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4. 1 digit left should be the 5. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3 here. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, no 1 goes there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. The 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be the 1, and this should be a 3. We have a 3 here. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be a 3. This triple box, 1, 2, and 3, we have a 3 here, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 2 and the 1 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box is reserved for the 5. These 2 this box cannot be a 3 or a 4. This box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. We have a 3 now, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 4. I think this box should be a 4. Because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. We have these 2 boxes marked with the 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. Let me mark them for you. 3 and the 5. Let me see. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 5. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. The difficult part. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quarter box should be here. The 2 and the 3 are left. That means these two boxes cannot be a 3. We have a 3, and those two boxes cannot be a 3, so one box left for the 3 should be there. These two boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those two boxes. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then we have a 2 now, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, definitely a 5. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5, 4 and the 3, 4 and the 3. Correction, 4 and the 3. This box, we have 1 and 4, cannot be a 5, otherwise I cannot fill those 2 boxes with a 5, so it cannot be a 5. Cannot be a 2 because I need a 2 here. Cannot be a 3. Yeah, we have a 2 and a 3 here. So cannot be a 5, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, so it's 1 or 4. This box is 1 or 4. Alright. So the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Anyway, these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 2 and the 5 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So this box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there, because this box cannot be a 5. We need a 5 there, so it's the 1 and the 4 here left. 1 and the 4. That means 1 and the 4. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 5 as a pair, so 1 box left in this area for the 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 4. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 5 there, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 4. This box, those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 5 and the 2 are left. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 5. 1 and the 4 left. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finished in 13 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second Tectonic and binary number 1 and binary number 2. See you later. Bye bye for now.